Here's some Croatian Renaissance trivia. Subscribe. Which poet wrote The Woman of the Ideal? Is it A. Petar Preradović, B. Miroslav Krleža, C. Dubriša Cesarić, or D. Tinjujević? The correct answer is A. Petar Preradović. What city is associated with the poet Ivan Gundulić? Is it A. Pula, B. Dubrovnik, C. Split, or D. Zagreb? The correct answer is B. Dubrovnik. Which playwright is famous for Dundo Maroje? Is it A. Marin Držić, B. Anton Chekhov, C. Henrik Ibsen, or D. William Shakespeare? The correct answer is A. Marin Držić. In which year was the Odiseja published? Is it A. 1526, B. 1601, C. 1478, or D. 1643? The correct answer is A. 1526. Who is considered the father of Croatian literature? Is it A. Ivan Gundulić, B. Marko Marulić, C. August Šenoa, or D. Dubriša Cesarić? The correct answer is B. Marko Marulić. What is the title of Marulić's notable work? Is it A. Judita, B. David, C. Odiseja, or D. Eva? The correct answer is A. Judita. What genre best describes Planine by Zoranic? Is it A. Romance, B. Philosophical novel, C. Historical fiction, or D. Science fiction? The correct answer is B. Philosophical novel. Which Croatian artist is known for his sculptures? Is it A. Damir Šašek, B. Ante Starčević, C. Dora Vrdoljak, or D. Ivan Meštrović? The correct answer is D. Ivan Meštrović. Who edited the Renaissance Review? Is it A. Goran Pisk, B. Alex Brown, C. Mary Johnson, or D. John Smith? The correct answer is A. Goran Pisk. Which philosopher influenced Renaissance thought? Is it A. Niccolò Machiavelli, B. René Descartes, C. Thomas Hobbes, or D. John Locke? The correct answer is A. Niccolò Machiavelli. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.